Good morning to you from my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you 13 pantry essentials if you are vegan, and I will list all of the reasons down below. Okay, I'm going to try and race through these. First up, nutritional yeast, source of B12, really nice kind of cheesy flavour, essential. Tofu, this is a silken tofu, always good to get organic, non-GMO, and that is silken tofu, so it's really nice for like a tofu scramble, which is delicious. Natural sweetener, maple syrup, as you can see, used a lot. I even have that like in, if I'm making a matcha. Curry paste, one of the nicest brands is the Thai Gold. I will tag them below. You find that in loads of places and it's so delicious. Tahini, great source of calcium and protein, really nice flavour. You can use it in dressings or even like with things like sweet potato as well. You can just add lemon juice, salt, pepper and thin it out and it just works perfectly. Chickpeas, these are organic Biona. Drain them out, pat them dry, roast them in the oven with my next ingredient, soy sauce or tamari. This is a gluten-free one as well. Apple cider vinegar, dips, dressings, home cleaning as well. Absolutely amazing. I take this first thing in the morning. I take a little bit in a large glass of water. Chia seeds, these are again amazing source of calcium, magnesium, and you can just add them to granolas, smoothies, everything like that. They also work in baking, and these are the little classy jars, which is another Irish company that I just mentioned. Truffle oil, being a little bougie, this was bought in Rome. You can find it in nice shops, tiny bit, even pasta dishes. It just makes them extra delicious. Nice ingredient to have, worth investing in. Two more, soy milk and soy cream. This is amazing just for pastas. Like you can literally just fry up vegetables, add in your pasta, add in some of this, and you get this like kind of amazing like creamy pasta. I'm going through like a big matcha moment at the moment, and the Clear Spring organic one is my favorite. So they are the pantry essentials that even if you do a really simple like a fruit and veg shop during the week, you will be able to put together meals. So I hope that was helpful.